Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bubbly. So today I'm going to show you a very interesting thing. I think I did put up a couple of shorts on that, and I'm too excited about to show you what I really wanted. It has been my long time dream to buy this, and finally when I bought it, I'm super excited. So without any further delay, let me show you. Ta 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 ta. Yes, this is my favorite. She is my pet, and she's what you people call as Venus a flytrap. And I bought it in Chennai. Amazingly, when I was searching for this plant for a really long time, and finally I found it in Chennai. In Chennai, there's only one place that they sell, and it's not only this, they have other carnivorous plants too, but I was not sure about those, so I bought only this. So let me show you in a close-up as how the plant looks and what I know about the plant, so that you too will know about it, right? So guys, like I was telling you about it, as I told you, I will show you in close-up as how the plant looks. This is how the plant looks. One of the trap has already got an insect. It's still eating it, and here another one has got another insect here, and here I guess there was another insect, and there's only skeleton left. So this is how I maintain the plant. When I bought the plant initially, what had happened is that it started drying, and the leaves were all falling off, and I was feeling really bad for it, and I did not know as how to handle it. And then I started following one of the Instagrammers called nandanamexotics. The person is from Kerala, and he has a lot of carnivorous plants, guys. That's crazy. I'm so crazy for his channel. So I followed a few of his videos wherein he was telling me as how to nourish or take care of this plant is very simple. He said any black leaves which is like this, it has to be removed, because it shouldn't stay on a healthy plant. He said that is number one. Number two, always place it in a cup with 1 inch of water. This water is not a tap water, guys. This is the regular drinking water that I have. I guess the pH level has to be really less for this plant. So I've got this. This is the regular drinking water, or the canned water that we get, right? That's the water that I have placed. So I've kept it in a bowl, and usually once in 2 days I change the water. And the water is like 1 inch, and now the water is less. I will fill it up again tomorrow. Then another thing he said was, what I noticed was the traps, they were all going pale green. They should be red. The kind of pictures that I've seen is all red. And then I was not sure as why. The place that I bought the plant, the person was telling me the Venus flytrap, she doesn't like sun, they get burnt and all this stuff. It is actually the other way around. They love the sun. They have to be out in the sun at least 4 to 5 hours in a day. Only then they will start getting this pink inside their traps. If you can see, there's a pink thing. So they're very sensitive, guys. They're very sensitive, and they are one of the most amazing and interesting plant that you can own. And it is actually a very good hobby if you are ready to take up a pet, and it should be like a silent pet. So I would suggest this would be the one. And you can feed it anything, any live insects. I have tried feeding it live worms and roaches, and usually since I leave it outside, they always sit in the sun. So in the evenings, they try and catch a lot of mosquitoes. See, now I think it just got a mosquito. That's why the trap is closed. So there's a lot of mosquitoes here. So they get trapped. Usually I feed them flies or anything, any insect that I see that can be fed to them. So this is what I know about Venus flytrap. I am still studying about it. I'm still looking at how to care for them, or how well you can know them and grow them. So this is my Venus flytrap. So guys, I hope you liked the video about my Venus flytrap. My favorite. She is my favorite, and she's my sweetie pie. And the things that I know about Venus flytrap, I have told you. I would suggest you to follow nandanamexotics. The person has got really good information about any carnivorous plant. He has amazing carnivorous plants. If you like to buy, you can buy it from him. I guess he would courier it for you. This is not a paid promotion, guys. Trust me, nobody's paying me to do it. It's just that out of interest I'm doing it. Neither did Nandanam Exotic paid me, or from where I bought it, which is foreststudio, which the shop is, the actual person who sells this is foreststudio, but he has a shop. He's tied up with a shop, I guess, on ECR. It's called 13 degrees north. If you just Google 13 degrees north on your map, it'll take you right right at the doorstep. So they have amazing plants. Both of them have not paid me. It's just out of my interest. I'm telling you where to buy Venus flytrap. You can still get it in Chennai. That is one amazing thing. So probably I will, in the future, I will buy the other carnivorous plants. I'm looking forward to it. I am crazy for, I do not know the name, the one of the plant which has the petals spread like this, and on tip of it petals, it's like a dewdrop. And I keep watching those videos, and I'm so fascinated as how they catch prey, and they for their food. It's really amazing. So I would encourage you to buy this plant. They are really fun. Okay, how much did I pay for it? Last but not the least, I guess I paid 1,600 for this plant, which was at 13 degrees north. And the person who is selling, his name is Shiva. So I guess you can Google his name and you can find out. I will also give his information in the description below if you still would like to buy it. So guys, do let me know what you think about my Venus flytrap, and let me know if you would like to buy it and grow it like me, have a pet like a Venus flytrap. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, and keep supporting me, guys, so that I will make more videos and upload it frequently. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. Stay beautiful.